Alright guys, I am doing a test here on this constrictor without any speedometer, cable, and weights. And what I'm finding is that it's contorting as it's going in. I'll show you here. So it gets narrow like that, and it wants to rotate over to that side, and then it'll finally suck it in, but it's elongated. That is the problem. No consistency. So my fix for it is I don't have one. Besides putting the speedometer cable underneath it, I don't think the floats are going to matter. So I'm going to dip a helmet and see what happens. Alright, don't kick the foot pedal. This is K2 Special or Super or something like that for testing purposes. One more. Up here. That. That's how we dip them here at Tsunami Hydrographics. Flames, nice blackness. The white spots there are exactly what I said there. The pattern came out with holes in it. There's one there and one there. That's not from the activator. It's actually in the pattern, I noticed. But you see the nice, clean, bright black. Beautiful blues. Got a silver base. So we got that nice metallic finish under it. A little touch up back here where I got some air bubbles, it looks like. But all in all, nice little helmet. I just made my own dam for this, so I'll get this visor now. Pretty straight dip. Some more round stuff. cut there, right there. This is probably the easiest film to touch up for me. So I did go in a little flat right at the end. Thought I'd have a little bit worse than that, but it's not a big deal. Try to get down inside those little rascals, and they work good. Hey guys, just thought I'd shoot a little video here on checking between coats and how to test it. When I spray my pattern, what I'll do is I'll come back to it and I'll put my finger up against it, and when I get that spider web, see if you can see that spider web effect right there, see that stuff coming off? That's ready to shoot again. Okay? See that stuff coming off there? That's the stuff I'm waiting for. When that comes off like that, I'm ready to coat again. There you go. You see it real good? That's what I'm looking for. That's that tackiness and that stringiness. Now I can apply a second coat. Okay, we've got a helmet we're doing here for customer. Another helmet. And we sprayed some top coat on top of some super chrome here and just checking, doing some more testing. First coat's ready. Let's get the second one on there. Alright guys, here's the helmet. Just put the last coat of clear on it. Got some clear on that. Nice and glassy. And we've got some clear on this one too. There's the visor. This is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. You can always go to thccoatings.com, and we're out.